Good afternoon and welcome. Today with us we have Andreas Brockschmidt, who is the CEO of Squadrat GmbH. Andreas, welcome. You've been a long-term visitor to ISE and an exhibitor indeed, I think for 5 or 6 years. Where can we find Squadrat at ISE?
In Hall 11 and 35. We have there a booth. We show our LED products, fine pitch and normal LED displays, special for the rental market. You have there 1.5, 1.9 and a 3.8 millimeter LED screen and a 6 millimeter black face LED screen, what we show, and our new controller generation.
And of course this backdrop that we have here behind us is your product, which NEC Display Solutions resell. Is that correct?
Yes. We are developing and producing this kind of LED displays, fine pitch product. This is a special product we have designed together with NEC for the need of the NEC market and the customers, special for broadcast or conference rooms, backdrops, or also on the retail market.
Everybody we've spoken to has said how impressive the LED has been. It's the first time we've managed to use an LED, I think, as a TV backdrop. What makes it so special? Is it the manufacturing process from yourself? Explain how that works. What makes it better than some of the Chinese LED stuff that we see in the other halls?
Yeah, we discussed it in the last days a lot with the people. What is the difference? If you see on the screen on the back of us, it's the mechanic. It's a very unique mechanic what we have. It's a magnetic. It's front service. You will not have any screws, any cables. You can put each panel out if something is wrong. You have redundant power supplies, redundant data supplies. If you see, these are special developed and produced very narrow band LEDs that this screen is not calibrated, because if other suppliers said we will make factory calibration, it means they use not so good LEDs.
Okay.
We use only the best LEDs, and we start with no calibrated screens. We can calibrate it afterwards in the field, after some years if it needed. But in the beginning it is a full uncalibrated screen.
So that means that it shouldn't degrade, it should degrade together, it shouldn't degrade in parts, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so this is an indoor product, obviously 1.5. You do outdoor products as well?
We as Squadrat, we are one of the biggest producer in Europe special for the sports and entertainment markets. Mm-hmm. We do a lot of sports, big stadiums, big arenas like the SAP Arena in Mannheim or like the Köln Stadium. And there the trend is going from the dip LED also to the SMD and the fine pitch. But there we are talking about 10 millimeter or 6 millimeter for the outdoor. Not like here you see 1.5 or 1.9 millimeter.
Now we've had lots of content people on the stand as well who've commented on the backdrop. There seems to be a belief that certainly in retail, the retailers can afford large screens now. They can wrap all sorts of surfaces with LED. It's going to affect the video wall market, I would have thought, a little bit. Do you agree with that? Is that a big? Do you think retail will be a big market for you?
I would say in the future it's one of the biggest markets for LED in the indoor section, because with LED you have more brightness, you have fine pitch, and you can build every shape you want. This is the main things. We have a big customer with NEC like Uniqlo. There we have window screens with LED. We have LED ticker, and then with NEC together LCD monitors in the shops. And this is more that it's coming more and more together, that LCD monitors and LED displays, and for the bigger and brighter areas, more the LEDs coming.
Mm-hmm. Would you say that the other manufacturers out there are playing catch up a little bit? I think two things I'd say. One is everybody's saying that LED is the big thing of the show. I think it's caught a lot of people by surprise. A lot of other display manufacturers have announced LED product late in the day to try and... You'd say they're playing catch up with some of the stuff that you've been doing for a few years now? Or?
Yeah, I would say it's LED is coming more and more into the market, but it's not that it's going 100% into the LED market. I think we as Squadrat looks over the whole AV market, and in some areas it will be successful, and in some areas not, because the price or also the how you can integrate it and so on. I think it will take a big part of the AV market and the rental market, but not all situation will be done with LED.
Now you're obviously based in Germany. Whereabouts?
Yes, we are based in Nuremberg area, and we have a factory also in China and the R&D department in Stuttgart.
Right, but you're not just in the German market. Your partnership with NEC has allowed you to cover the whole of Europe, I would guess.
Yeah. We are cover the whole world. If you with NEC, we are partnered up in the EMEA region and now also in the US and North American market. We are discussing also the Asian market at the moment. But as Squadrat, especially in the sports and entertainment, we are all over the world. We produce screens for all the Asian games in Kazakhstan, or for Dubai, or for Brazil, or something like this. We are all over the world.
That's fascinating. Is there anything, you probably not had a chance to look at any other stands because you've been busy on your own and coming here to the NEC stand. Is there anything that you've seen or heard, other trends that people might miss going forward in the future other than the LED stuff?
Yeah, we see that more and more also the big companies are going into the LED market, and most of them now partner up with Chinese manufacturer. We are very happy that we partner up with NEC. This shows us that good quality, high-end quality, it's worth to work, and not only the price. And we will not the cheapest, but we are looking for the best quality and the best quality for the customer. And this is more reliability, better heat dissipation, no ventilation and so on. This is more important than only the price. And if you go to the other halls like Hall 8 or where all the Chinese are there, manufacturer, you see the difference, and you see the difference on price, but you see also the difference on quality.
On quality you can. And you're in Hall 11?
Yes.
35?
Yeah, 35.
Good. Thank you very much for coming.